Hi, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm Nina, and today I'm going to show you how to quick soak your beans when you haven't had a chance to soak beans ahead of time. I forget to soak my beans all the time, and they really need about 8 hours of soaking, like overnight. And so once I got my Instant Pot, I found a quick and easy way to soak your beans without having to do it overnight. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is take your beans and clean them. So I like to pour it into a plate and just kind of pick through it and make sure that there are no stones or any kind of debris in the beans. And once you've done that, mine look like they're really clean. You want to rinse them, and then we're going to put them into the Instant Pot. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse them right now. So I'm going to prop my lid open and take the beans and put them into the inner pot. And I fill the inner pot with enough water to cover the beans by about an inch. And the next thing you want to do is pressure cook the beans for about 5 minutes and do a natural pressure release. I'm going to let it release its pressure on its own for maybe about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll release whatever remaining pressure is in there and take it out at that point. So I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Okay, the float valve is down and the pressure has been released. So now we're ready to open the lid. If at the 20 to 25 minute mark you see that the float valve isn't down yet, you can go ahead and release the remaining pressure. So I'm ready to open the Instant Pot lid. And watch out for the steam. And at this point, the beans are ready to be used in any recipe that calls for soaked beans. So one of the recipes I like to use these beans in is my Instant Pot red beans and rice, which is really delicious. And the recipe is on my blog, and I hope you get a chance to try it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.